Okay, guys, we have 2 plus 3 squared times 1 minus 1. 2 plus 3 squared means 3 times 3 equals 9, right? 9 times 1 minus 5. Now 2 plus 9 equals 11 times 1 and minus 5. 11 times 1 equals 11 minus 5. 11 minus 5 equals 6. But this is wrong. Why? Exponent must be done before addition and subtraction and multiplication and division. So follow the order of operations. We use PEMDAS rule. Multiplication and division must be done after exponent, then addition and subtraction, right? So now let's solve this correctly. 2 plus 3 squared means 3 times 3 equals 9, right? Times 1 minus 5. Now multiply first, right? 2 plus 9 times 1 equals 9 minus 5. Now addition and subtraction from left to right. 2 plus 9 equals 11 minus 5, right? Now 11 minus 5 equals 6.